And then you mentioned Belize IBC. No offense to the Belize fans, and I know there are a number of Belize fans, and no disrespect intended. The challenge with, and I believe Belize is off the blacklist, so which is a good thing, which is of course a good thing. The problem with the Belize IBC is where you're going to bank. Very few banks want to touch a Belize IBC. Similarly with a Panama company, no problem. But Panama has been the subject of negative publicity. So you show up in particularly what I would call a tier one jurisdiction. You rock up into a U.S. bank or Singapore or a European bank. Hey, I want to open a bank account for my Belize company or for my Panamanian company. Well, I don't think you will be warmly received. Of course, there'll be exceptions to that rule, but generally speaking, you may not be warmly received. So a Belize IBC is all well and good. Panama is all well and good, but think about, where am I going to receive that money? Where am I going to bank? So you will probably be locked out of a tier one and maybe some tier two jurisdictions. So you're left with a tier three jurisdiction, tier three bank. Is the bank reliable? When you look at the global index that scores the strength of a bank, is it a bank that's robust? Is it a bank that's going to be around in the future as we face economic uncertainties? Or is it one of those banks that's going to fold because, it's not strong enough? The reserve requirements, the reserves aren't there. So yes, you may get a tier three incorporation, but remember, it has to be paired with a tier three bank. So always think about the pairing. And if you're prepared to handle that risk, then go for it. But there's a risk in.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.